say that at our events, all throughout this year, we've actually got some really good tax specialists on hand that will be running seminars that you can really seek some great professional advice and, as you say, sort of safeguard yourself and get prepared for the changes coming. So we're on to finance now. How do investors seeking finance remain lender friendly, avoid high LTVs, keeping portfolio details up to date, and to be clear on their strategy as to whether they're looking for appreciation or regular income?
That's exactly what they should be doing now. So if investors' strategy is to use finance to leverage against their assets, i.e. their buy-to-let portfolio, so they continue to buy and add to their portfolio, they need to be very mindful of how they are going to approach a lender to borrow the money. So as a bank, as we sort of touched upon previously, we will have to assess with regards to affordability and rental income to ensure that it's sustainable. When we are, for Shawbrook for example, if we're looking at a client approaching us and they have a portfolio that sits behind them, behind the assets that we're then lending to, we then have to assess the affordability not just of the one individual asset, but actually the portfolio in itself. Now typically, rule of thumb would be, again this would require advice, but from a Shawbrook perspective at least, is that portfolios that are geared up to 75% loan to value, i.e. that have borrowings to the equivalent of 75% loan to value of the portfolio, generally will be considered sustainable and they will withstand interest rate rises, etc. Also, the other thing that lenders are concerned about is whether there is a massive kind of increase in number of properties being added to the portfolio. Are the investors moving too quickly? Do they understand their market, etc. So if investors are very dependent upon finance to support their investment strategy, they need to be very mindful of actually the lender requirements in accordance with the PRA standards and also the tax changes impacting their affordability to continue to grow their portfolio.
Okay, so that's absolutely fantastic, Emma, thank you. That's been really, really insightful. I think it's really important to say that obviously with so many changes and so much for landlords to take on board to deal with, these shows that we provide are actually the perfect platform to come along and meet with professionals such as Shawbrook Bank, meet with industry experts that can really help you grow and retain your property portfolios. And we hope to see you soon at one of our events. Shawbrook will actually be headline sponsor, will be available to speak to on London Olympia show, which is on June the 14th, and also again on November the 6th. We'll be sort of closing our year of shows. November the 6th, again back at London Olympia. There's huge amounts of contacts to be made there, professional advice, so I'd urge sort of UK landlords that are serious about their portfolios, please come along, where you've got access to the exact professionals that you need. You can visit our website and book your tickets, they're complimentary tickets, and it's www.landlordinvestmentshow.co.uk. And I'd like to say thanks again to Shawbrook. Thank you, Emma. We've really enjoyed coming down to HQ today to see this very vibrant, colourful, lovely environment, which actually sums up the Shawbrook family that we've come to love and know. So we hope to see you on our event soon. Thank you.